Good day, everyone. I'm Laika B. Argarin, the discussant for today's video about benefits of social media on time. Introduction. Social media is a collective of online communication channel. It's dedicated to community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. List of social networking sites: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Increase efficiency and communication. Social media enable fast and efficient communication, saving time compared to traditional methods. With tools like instant messaging, group chat, and video calls, people can instantly connect, share information, and coordinate tasks. This real-time communication saves time, especially compared to others. Access to time-saving tools. Many social media platforms integrate productivity tools such as calendars, reminders, and collaboration apps. Example: Google, helping users manage their schedule for more effectively. Social media platforms now offer integrated productivity tools like calendars, reminders, and collaboration apps, which make it easy to stay organized and manage tasks. This, this helps users streamline their daily schedule, set reminders, and collaborate in real time, saving both time and effort. Learning on the go. Social media provides instant access to tutorials, guides, and educational content. Youth can quickly learn new skill and find solution to the problem without lengthy research, thus maximizing their time. Social media offer quick access to a wealth of educational content, including tutorials and guides, allowing users, especially youth, to, to learn new skill or find solutions. This convenience eliminates the need for extensive research, making learning and more efficient and time effective. Networking opportunities. Platforms like LinkedIn help users build professional connections quickly, streamlining networking efforts that might otherwise take much longer in physical settings. This helps its career building and job shaking. Social media platforms like LinkedIn make networking much easier and faster by allowing users to build professional and connections online. Instead of attending time-consuming physical events, people can quickly connect with peers, mentors, and potential employers, greatly benefiting their careers, growth, and job efforts. Boosting motivation and focus. Productivity, focus group, and page on social media offer time management tips, productivity hacks, and motivational content. By enjoying such communities, users can adapt better habits for managing their time. Social media provides access to productivity, focused communication that share time management tips, motivational content, and hacks for staying efficient. By engaging with this group, user can find inspirations, improve focus, and adapt healthcare habits, ultimately enhancing their productivity and time management skills. Task automation. Social media platforms allow users to schedule posts or automate tasks, particularly beneficial for business and content creator. This saves time that would otherwise be spent manually posting or managing content. Social media platforms offers automations features like scheduling posts, which are a hug time savers for business and content creators. Instead of manually managing content, user can automate tasks, allowing them to focus on others' important activities while maintaining an active online presence. Collaborative workspace. Social media and digital platforms like Facebook Group or Slack enable real-time collaborations on projects, reducing the time needed for meeting and back and forth communication. Social media and digital platforms like Facebook Group or Slack offer collaborative workspace where team members can work together. It's real time regardless of location. This minimizes the needs for communications, making project and manage smoother. These platforms streamline decision making, improve coordination, and ultimately saves valuable time. When used mindfully, social media can be a powerful tool for improving time management and productivity. However, it's important to balance its use to avoid